Hello everyone, this is a video demonstration of the customizability on the Android platform. I've always really enjoyed customizing and tweaking my phone, so maybe this video can give you a little bit of inspiration for your phone, or maybe you just enjoy watching it. I'm gonna start off with showing you my lock screen. The lock screens on most phones just provide like a simple slide to unlock mechanism, and this phone by default also has that. But I'm using an app called Widget Locker, which gives you a little bit more options. The name Widget Locker probably is chosen because you can have your own widget on there. You can see on the top there I have the app called Beautiful Widgets, or no, it's called Beautiful Home, and it allows you to have an HTC Sense weather widget, which you can also tap to get more information and that kind of stuff. Also, these slide to unlock things are still here, but you get a little bit more. Like this is my own chosen slides to adjust brightness, slides to enable the. You can probably see it now. I have the flash on my phone enabled now. Also, this one is for just opening the camera or the barcode scanner, adjusting the sound. But you can really just make it your own. You can choose any widget that you want. I just chose to do some more of the sliders, but you can have like a contacts widget or Facebook or just everything that's out there. Also, this Widget Locker lock screen allows me to unlock with just clicking the trackball, which I think is really nice because sliding to unlock is more for the iPhone and I really like it. There's also an app called No Lock, which doesn't give you the custom sliders, which I just showed, but it does have the ability to just press the unlock button or the trackball to get into the main menu. So that's a step less because you don't have to slide to unlock. Now, the background that you see here, that is the Droid eye. I actually got this not through the Android market, but through a website. If you search for Droid eye XDA, then you could probably find it. There's also in the market other Droid eye thingies that cost a little bit of money, but you can annoy the eye and stuff, so that's pretty cool. As you can tell, I have no notification panel, so you might be wondering what's up with that. Also, this is a Nexus One, so it should have Android 2.2, which should have like the browser and the dialer here. As you can tell, I don't have those, so something must be going on. I'm using a home screen replacement called Launcher Pro, and what this does is when you press the home button, you get a menu for your launcher. You can use the default Android launcher, which has those browser and dialer and notification panel and 5 screens, but I chose to have like one screen, as you can tell. I'm smudging the screen a little bit. And you can also do some other cool things with it that I'll get to in a minute, but it's called a home screen replacement, and you can activate it by tapping the home button and then making it your default. Another thing that this does is when I press the app drawer, I think this phone that I'm filming with is actually getting a message. Let's get back to this. You can tell that I'm not actually having the Gmail or the calendar applications in here because Launcher Pro allows you to hide applications in the preferences, general settings, hidden apps. I hide apps for a variety of reasons. The Gmail and the calendar app I hide because when I give my phone to someone else, I don't want them to be able to watch my pictures or just get into my personal stuff. So I have that hidden under a menu that I'll get to in a minute. Also, there are a couple of other apps that I don't really use a lot, but they do things on the background for me. So I want to have them, but not having them clutter my app drawer. The menu that I was just talking about is called Quickdesk, and you can access that by double tapping the home button. As you can see, there's my Facebook contacts, messaging, everything personal. So that's a nifty little trick to have on your phone. When I hold the search button, it activates my settings manager. It's called Quick Settings. It has all the important settings. You can actually choose which ones you want to show and which not. But I think that's a pretty good settings manager, and it's really nifty to be able to access it from here, because if you are watching a YouTube video or just in the browser and you want to quickly enable the Wi-Fi, it's just one button away, so that's pretty fast. Another thing that I want to show, which I'm going to show a little bit differently, when I plug in with one hand this, you can see that it opens my music player. This is done by an app called Locale. It is an automated settings manager. It's sort of the description. It will change your settings based on what it calls conditions. So, for example, when I go to my library, it'll turn off my volume, open my calendar, just so I can, get adjusted to being there. When I plug in my headphones, you just saw that, it will open my music player. When the battery is low, it'll turn off everything that costs power. When I'm asleep, it'll do the same, but also turn off my trackball pulsation, because this will give a light when you get a message, so it can sort of wake you up. Then again, when someone wants to call me that I care about, they can still call me because they're in the VIP list. Then it's a prioritized listing, so if it's higher in the list, then it will override lower settings. This app is a little bit expensive. It costs, I think, $10. There's a cheaper version which is like £6. It's called Tasker, but for my calculations, that's sort of the same price. Let me show this. These are the conditions that you can have, like battery, contact, headphones, location, time. These are all the settings that I have currently. This, by the way, is Swype Advanced. Oh, I got it in Dutch. Oh. You can get more plugins from the market. I think there's about 100 of them, 108 plugins, like 4G switches, just everything that you might want to use or have changed automatically. There's another few things that I wanted to show. You can tell that this is just a blank screen. I have my apps in here when I tap it, but when I swipe it, try not to activate it, I activate the voice search, which is really nifty because it has quite a few commands. It's really a nifty little thing, and I can activate it by swiping. This is all sort of like a Droid theme, which is like these robots just helping you or making you more efficient. When I press the Droid eye, it'll open my camera app. It's just incredibly geeky, but I like it. This is actually also done by using an app called BetterCut, which allows you to choose the icons. And I chose an invisible icon, and I hit labels by using Launcher Pro. This is a paid app, but you can return it within 24 hours to the market, and then you don't have to pay. So, got that one. I'm seeing that I'm running out of time. I've also shown everything that I wanted to show. If you have any questions on using anything of this, just post a comment and I will respond to it. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this.